So today's first question is, when will Bharat Biotech release Covaxin's phase 3 trial data to the public? And the options are: option A, July 2021, option B, September 2021, option C, October 2021, and option D, November 2021. So the correct answer is option A, July 2021. Let's see the explanations. Hyderabad-based vaccine manufacturer Bharat Biotech informed on 9th June 2021 that it will be publishing the complete data of the phase 3 trials of its vaccine in July 2021 and then apply for the full licensure of the Covaxin. Our next question is, who will captain Team India for the ODI T20 series against Sri Lanka in July 2021? And the options are: option A, Shikhar Dhawan, option B, Hardik Pandya, option C, Sanju Samson, and option D, Devdutt Paddikal. So the correct answer is option A. Let's check the explanations. Shikhar Dhawan will captain Team India on its 6-match ODI and T20 tour of Sri Lanka, which is scheduled to be held at the R. Premdas International Cricket Stadium in Colombo between July 13 to 25, 2021. So let's move on to our next question. Which city is named to the host of 2032 Olympic Games? And the options are: option A, Auckland, option B, Adelaide, option C, Wellington, and option D, Brisbane. And the right answer is option D, Brisbane. So let's see the explanation now. The International Olympic Committee (IOC) Executive Board on June 10, 2021 decided to propose Brisbane for hosting the 2032 Olympics. The Australian city was put on the fast track to host the tournament when the IOC named it as the preferred candidate in February 2021. Let's see the next question. Which nation has declared fugitive economic offender Mehul Choksi as a prohibited immigrant? And the options are: option A, Antigua and Barbuda, option B, Dominican Republic, option C, Cuba, and option D, Singapore. And the correct answer is option B. Let's see the explanation. The Dominican Republic on June 9, 2021 declared fugitive businessman Mehul Choksi as a prohibited immigrant for illegal entry into the country. Choksi is wanted in India for the 13,500 crore PNB scam case, India's biggest banking scam. Let's move on to our next question. Which nation is hosting the G7 Summit 2021? And the options are: option A, UK, that means United Kingdom, option B, France, option C, US or United States, and option D, Italy. So the right answer is UK. Let's check the explanation. The G7 Summit 2021 will be hosted by the United Kingdom at Carbis Bay in Cornwall from June 11 to 13, 2021. The United Kingdom has taken over the presidency of the Group of 7 Nations this year, and United Kingdom Prime Minister Boris Johnson took the opportunity to invite leading democracies to help the world fight and then build back better from COVID-19. Let's move on to our next question. Who is the winner of the Pen Painter Prize 2021? And the options are: option A, Walid Abul Khair, option B, Iriana Khalif, option C, Befeqadu Hailu, option D, Sitsi Dangeramga. And the correct option is option D. Let's check the explanation. Sitsi Damgaremba, the Booker shortlisted writer from Zimbabwe, has won the Pen Painter Prize 2021. Sitsi is the author of the book Nervous Condition, which she wrote at the age of 25. It was followed by the Book of Knot and the third party of the trilogy, This Mournable Body, which was also shortlisted for Booker Prize 2020. Let's move on to our last question. Researchers from which Indian institute team up with a team from the University of Strathclyde in the United Kingdom to develop a low-cost sensor to detect COVID-19 in wastewater? And the options are: option A, IIT Madras, option B, IIT Bombay, option C, IIT Delhi, and option D, IIT Kanpur. So the correct answer is option B. Let's see the explanation. Researchers from the University of Strathclyde in the United Kingdom and India's IIT Bombay have jointly developed a low-cost sensor that can detect fragments of the virus responsible for COVID-19 in wastewater. This is all for today, friends. Let's meet in our next video. Till then, thanks for watching and stay safe, stay at home.